Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Prasad Gunaganti. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic time and work. Time and work is an important topic in quantitative part. Most of the students believe that this topic is a little bit harder one, but trust me, this is also one of the easier concept in quantitative part. Even we can relate this topic with pipes and cisterns. Okay, if we know time and work, we can also solve easily pipes and cisterns. So let us see how to solve the problems on time and work. Okay, see, time and work. The heading itself indicates that there is a relationship between time and work. Okay, the relationship between time and work is they both are directly proportional to each other. Even we can observe it in our daily life. Okay, in day-to-day life we come across so many things in relating to time and work. Okay, see, if we take more time, we can do more work. If we take less time, we can do less work. Okay, so those both are directly proportional to each other. For example, if I can complete a piece of work in 10 days, okay, in 10 days I can do 10 units. Let us assume that in 10 days I can do 10 units of work. Okay, 10 units of work. Okay, now to do 20 units, the time taken by me will be increased because the work here is increased. Okay, here the work is increased, so the time taken by the same person will also be increased. So for 10 units, if he takes 10 days, for 20 units here the work got doubled, so the number of days will also get doubled. So the number of days taken by the person to complete 20 units is 20 days. Okay, so time and work are directly proportional to each other. Before solving the problems, let us discuss one more important term in time and work, that is efficiency. Okay, efficiency, this term is also very much important in time and work concept. Efficiency is nothing but the total work done by total time taken. Okay, we can define efficiency as the total work by total time taken. For example, let us take a person can do a piece of work in 10 days. Okay, in time and work generally we consider the total amount of work as 1 unit. Okay, in time and work we take a total work as 1 unit. Okay, if a person can do a piece of work in 10 days, then the efficiency of the person becomes total work by total time taken. Here the person completes entire 1 unit of work, so here the total work becomes 1 unit, so I will take 1 in the numerator and total time taken is 10 days. Okay, total time is 10 days, so I am taking 10 days in the denominator, so the efficiency of the person becomes 1 by 10. Okay, we can also take that the quantity of work done by the person in 1 day is 1 by 10. Okay, this is how we calculate the efficiency of the person. If a person can do 1 by 10th of your work in 1 day, in the second day also he completes 1 by 10th of the work. Okay, and so on. So in the 10th day also he completes 1 by 10. Okay, by adding all this we have to get 1 unit. 1 unit, here we are considering 1 unit as the total work. So to complete the entire work, total work, he has to work for 10 days. Because he completes the entire work in 10 days, he works for 10 days. So for 1 day he completes 1 by 10th of the work. For 10 days he completes 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, so on. For 10 days he does the same work. So here the sum of all this becomes 10 by 10, which results in 1. Hence the total work is completed. This is how we calculate the efficiency. Now let us solve some examples on this to get clarity. The question here is, if a person A can complete a piece of work in 10 days and another person B can complete the same work in 15 days, then in how many days will both A and B working together can complete the given work? Okay, that is the question here. See, the person A can complete the given work in 10 days, okay, and B in 15 days. In how both the person working together, in how many days can they complete the entire work is the given question. Okay, the very basic method which is followed very long ago is, see, the number of days taken by A is 10 days. So if we take entire work as 1 unit and he completes in 10 days, so we are taking 10 in the denominator, and the same way B is 1 by 15 days. Okay, by this adding these two we can get the number of days taken by A plus B working together. Okay, here the LCM for 10 and 15 is 30. So by multiplying the numerator with 3 we get 30 in the denominator, and here if we multiply with 2 in both numerator and denominator we get 30 in the denominator. So this is how we obtain it. Now adding 3 plus 2 we get 5. So 5 by 30 is nothing but 1 by 6. Okay, to complete the entire 1 unit of work, the time taken by A plus B working together becomes 6 days. So our answer is 6 days. Okay, this is one type of method, but we must not follow this type of method in competitive exams because it is a time taking method. Okay, another method is, see, here the number of days taken by A to complete the work is 10 days and the number of days taken by B to complete the given work is 15 days. Okay, LCM of these two is 30. Okay, LCM of these two is 30. This is the number of days taken. Okay, number of days taken by the persons. Now I will calculate the efficiencies, individual efficiencies of the person. Here the LCM is 30, so 30 will become the entire work. Okay, this is the 30 is the total work. Okay, to know the efficiency of person A, this is person A and this is person B. To know the efficiency of person A, I will divide with the total work. Here the total work is 30 and the number of days taken by A is 10. So to obtain the efficiency, I have to divide 30 with 10. So I get 3 as the efficiency of A. Okay, in one day A can complete 3 parts of work. Okay, in the same way B, the efficiency of B is 30 by 15, which is nothing but 2. Okay, here the entire efficiency of both A and B working together per day, they can complete 5 parts of work. Okay, as their efficiencies are 3 and 2. Okay, in one day if they can complete 5 parts of work in 30 days, in one day they has completed 5 parts of work. For 30 parts of work, the number of days taken by them to complete is, here by multiplying with 6 I got 30. So by here also I will multiply with 6. So it takes 6 days for both of them working together. Okay, this is how we have to solve. Another method is, in the same way, if two persons are given and if they ask the number of days taken by both of them working together, such type of questions with no conditions are given. It means condition means if the person A is working for X days and person B is working for Y days, such type of conditions are given. We cannot do this the procedure what I am going to tell if such type of conditions are not present. In this question any conditions are not given, so I am taking this. We can directly multiply the number of days. Okay, number of days taken by A plus B, okay, A plus B by A into B by A plus B. Okay, we can directly take A into B by A plus B. We can directly multiply the number of days here. Okay, here A is 10 days and B is 15 days. Okay, a plus b is nothing but 10 plus 15, that is 25. Okay, now what we get here is 150 by 25. Okay, so I get 6 as a answer. If no conditions are present in the given question, we can directly take AB by A plus B. We can directly multiply the number of days by adding number of days. We can directly get the answer. This is the three methods we can solve it. Here the second example is A alone takes 27 hours more to complete a work than A and B working together. B alone takes 3 hours more than A and B working together. In what time they together complete the work? Here in the question, two persons A and B is given. Okay, A and B is given, and what he asked is in what time they together complete the work. It means A plus B working together, in how many days will they take to complete the given work. Okay, in the question he is not given the number of days taken by A or B or both A plus B, but he has given that A has taken 27 more days than A plus B working on the same work. Okay, and B and B takes 3 hours more than A and A plus B working together. Okay, so I will consider that the number of days taken by A plus B as X. Okay, so the time taken by A plus B is X. Now A has taken 27 hours more time than A plus B working together, so I am taking A as X plus 27. Okay, and now B has taken 3 hours more than those both working on the work. Okay, now how to solve this question? See, without using pen and paper, we can directly answer this question. Okay, see, there is no magic in this question. See, it is a simple and easier question, but it looks like a tricky question, but trust me, this is a very easier question. Okay, see, I can directly say that the answer for this question is 9 days. Okay, 9 days. The number of, see, here what we have to do is, the formula for this type of questions is root AB. Okay, root AB. Here the time taken by A, see, the time taken by A is 27 hours more than the time taken by both the persons working on the work. So here we have to take the 27 as A, and for B it is 3 hours, so we have to take 3. Okay, 27 into 3 is 81, so root 81, which is nothing but 9. So 9 is my answer. 9 hours is my answer. Okay, why did this root AB come from? Okay, this is the, we have to remember this root AB. Okay, now I will derive where this root AB has come from. Okay, see, we all know that 1 by A plus 1 by B is equals to 1 by A plus B. Okay, 1 by A plus B. Here it is the number of days taken by A, number of taken by B, and they both are working together. Okay, now take the LCM of A and B. So I will take LCM as AB. Now I have to multiply this 1 by A with B and 1 by B with A by AB. Okay, here this is 1 by A plus B is the time taken by both the persons working together. Okay, so that is equals to 1 by A plus B. These are the individual works done by A and B. This is total entire work done by A plus B working together. Okay, taking to the left hand side, I get B plus A into A plus B is equals to AB. Okay, here A plus B into A plus B is nothing but A plus B square, that is equals to AB. Okay, taking square to the right hand side, I get square root. So a plus b is equals to root ab. From here I got this root ab. Okay, see, by seeing the question we must not get afraid. See, this is very much easier question, but it looks like a tricky question, so we have to analyze the question. So without keeping a pen on the paper, we can directly say the answer as 9. Okay, let us look into the third example. 3 persons A, B, C are working in a work. If A plus B working together can complete the work in 20 days, and B plus C working together can complete the work in 30 days, and A plus C working together complete in 40 days, then in how many days will A alone take to complete the work? Okay, here the given question is, there are 3 persons A comma B comma C. Okay, here in the question it is given that A plus B can complete the work in 20 days, okay, and B plus C in 30 days, and A plus C in 40 days. And what they asked is, in how many days will A alone complete the given work? A alone. Okay, here combinedly, here the entire in question it is given that A and B work together, B and C work together, and A and C working together is given. Individually they are not given. Okay, in any given question in time and work, first we have to derive the entire work. Okay, to know the entire work we have to take the LCM of 20, 30 and 40. Okay, so the LCM of 20, 30 and 40 is 120. See, doing the LCM is also an important thing. See, we have for LCM we have to take the highest number. Here 20, 30 and 40 are given. The highest number here is 40. So we have to take the multiples of 40 and check whether 40 is divided by 40 or 40 multiples are divided by the remaining two numbers. Okay, here 40 is divided by 20, but it is not divided by 30. So 40, another multiple is 80. By multiplying 2 with 40 we get 80. So 80 is divided by 20, but it is not divided by 30. So we have to take another multiple of 40, which is 120. Here 120 is divided by 20 and 30. So 120 is our LCM. Such type we have to take the LCM to save our time. Okay, so now we will get the efficiency. This is the total work and this is the number of days taken. Okay, total number of days taken by those persons working together. So I will get the efficiency by dividing the total work by total number of days taken. Okay, 120 by 20 is 6. So the efficiency of A plus B working together is 6. 120 by 30 is 4. So the efficiency of B plus C working together is 4. Okay, and 120 by 40 is 3. So the efficiency of A plus C working together is 3. Okay, now by adding all this, what I get here is A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C is equals to 13. Okay, the entire efficiency is 13 of these all members. So here what I get is 2 of A plus B plus C is equals to 13. So A plus B plus C efficiency is nothing but 13 by 2. Okay, 13 by 2. Now we know the efficiency. Okay, to obtain the efficiency of A, okay, if we know the efficiency of A, by dividing the entire work with the efficiency of A, we can get the number of days taken by A alone to complete the work. So now we have to take the efficiency of B plus C. So we have obtained 4 as the efficiency of B plus C. So I will take 4 in place of B plus C, that is equals to 13 by 2. Okay, by taking 4 to the right hand side, I will get 13 by 2 minus 4. Okay, 2 is the LCM here, so I get 5 by 2. Okay, the efficiency of A we has obtained as 5 by 2. Okay, so by dividing the entire work with the efficiency of A, we can get the total number of days taken by the A to complete the given work. So 120 divided by 5 by 2. Okay, 2 gets to the numerator, so 120 into 2 by 5. Okay, 5 24s is 120, so what we get here is 48. Okay, so 48 is the total number of days taken by A to complete the given work. This is how we have to do in the competitive exams. We must not follow 1 by A plus B by 1 plus B plus C by 1 by A plus C. We must not follow such type of methods in competitive exams. We have to follow these kind of shortcuts in the exams to save our time. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Prasad Gunaganti.